Morning, how's everybody? Here we are again with the review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, yesterday was a bit of a bloodbath in the markets. Markets are still reeling from the effects of the US Supreme Court decision, which revoked the powers of Donald Trump to impose global tariffs. And as a result, the tariffs imposed by the Trump administration were all declared null and void. However, very soon, Donald Trump came out with new powers and levied not just a 10% tariff but also increased it to 15% over the weekend. All that uncertainty is feeding into the markets and causing the markets to have a massive correction. It's not a bull market yet. It's not a bear market yet. It's definitely not a bull market, but it's not a bear market either. One would call it a correction of about 3 to 4%, and that's what's happening across all markets. Not to mention the effect of the AI frenzy and the AI scare. Markets are still spooked by that, and any line of business affected by AI is bearing the brunt of that. So, all this is adding towards volatility in the markets. Bitcoin has also been seriously affected by it and has dropped below the 65,000 mark. It's hovering around the 63,000 mark right now. Oil prices are on the higher side because of the tensions in the Middle East. Similar with gold. Gold is also hovering around the 5,200 mark again because of geopolitical issues. The euro gained some strength against the US dollar. However, as the markets became volatile and the dollar strengthened, the euro weakened as a result. So, at this point in time, markets are pretty volatile, and I think the AI trade is not done yet. I think there is going to be a bit more of that to come. We'll see more volatility because of the AI scare. However, tomorrow is a big day for the AI trade. The bellwether of the AI trade, Nvidia, is going to be declaring its results. If the results are better than expected, that is going to dispel all fears regarding AI and the returns on AI, and the markets will rally to that. My prediction is that Nvidia will beat expectations. It may not beat expectations by as much as the market wants, but it will beat expectations, and that will dispel the fears to some extent. So we will see some bit of a rally, but not as huge as we have in the past. That is my prediction, and our predictions are always correct. So please stay tuned, and we will keep you posted.